wide open.
There's one straight through there.
Oh shit, that's gonna be hard.
Yeah.
Couple on this side.
Oh, that is so deep. Yeah. Problem is they're defending the shit out of it. Fuck it. Whoa!
There's one, he's got it right in front of the window. He's hiding right behind the window.
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna get that one.